In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how many people are using Perplexity AI based on the latest 2026 growth and usage statistics. Let's get started. I'm searching for the total number of people using the platform to see how much it has grown recently. The results show that Perplexity has reached between 30 and 45 million monthly active users, marking a 118% increase in just 1 year. It also highlights that the system now handles over 780 million queries a month, showing its massive scale as a global search tool. As I scroll down into the detailed statistics, we can see that the company is now valued at $18 billion. This growth chart really puts it into perspective, showing the leap from only 3,000 users in 2022 to over 30 million today. Moving into demographics, the 25 to 34 age group is the largest segment, making up nearly 30% of the total traffic. The gender distribution is also interesting, with 59% male and about 41% female users. Next, I'll look at the global reach, where India stands as the top market, followed by the United States. Most users prefer the desktop experience, especially for professional tasks. The education levels are quite high, with 45% of users holding a bachelor's degree or higher. Finally, the usage trends show that people are averaging 9 searches per day, with activity peaking during standard work hours. It's clear that Perplexity has become a vital tool for daily research and professional productivity. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.